In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Calendly with Zoom so your meetings are automatically set up without extra effort. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more simple tech guides. First, log into your Calendly account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create it. It only takes a few minutes. Once you are on the dashboard, look for the Integrations tab in the top menu or side panel. Inside Integrations, scroll until you see Zoom. Since it's one of the most used video tools, you will usually find it under Communication Apps. Click on Connect Zoom. Calendly will now ask for permission to link with your Zoom account. If you're already logged into Zoom, this step is instant. If not, it'll prompt you to enter your Zoom credentials. Just sign in and allow the connection. Once authorized, Calendly and Zoom are officially linked. From now on, anytime you schedule a meeting in Calendly, a Zoom link will be generated automatically. No more copying and pasting. Everything is synced for you and your invitees. And that's it. Your Zoom and Calendly integration is ready. This small setup saves you time, removes hassle, and keeps your meetings organized. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick productivity tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.